Do you love trees but hate the chore of getting rid of fallen leaves? In most cities, you can't burn, send them to landfills, or blow them into your driveway. So what do? Hi, I'm Amanda with the University of Missouri Extension Master Gardeners of Greater Kansas City. Let's take a look at the idea that raking and removing leaves are necessary for a healthy lawn. Instead of spending hours breaking your back by raking, bagging, and blowing, put away the rake and the lawn bags and get out your mower and have at it. The easiest way to pick up your leaves is by mowing over your leaves with a mulching mower, but a standard mower would do the job just fine. For best results, make sure your blades are sharp. Normal mowing height should be just fine. Normal heights are 3 to 4 inches. Mow slowly to allow the leaves to be chopped without blocking the shoot. Stay on top of the dry, fallen leaves for an easier job, but it will still work even if you have to make a couple passes to make them disappear. University research from as far back as 30 years shows that mulching leaves has no adverse effects on our lawns. In fact, the leaf mulch remaining on the lawn increases organic matter and benefits as much as an application of nitrogen. One study found that occurrence of dandelions was reduced by 80%. Yep, your lawn can green up much quicker in the spring while saving a little money. Not only are mulch leaves great for the lawn, that mulch layer provides an added winter protection for our overwintering beneficial insects. Too many leaves? Use the chopped up leaves to mulch in and around the garden and the trees during cleanup, or use as a brown carbon added to your composting pile. 2 cautions. Be cautious of using leaves from trees that have been treated with herbicides and pesticides. And be cautious of wet, dense piles of leaf mulch. Rake to keep the leaves from matting on your lawn. So take a break from raking, mulch those leaves for money, and help the environment. We hope you enjoyed today's Tuesday tip. If you liked our video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Be sure to check out the MU Extension Guide Sheet and our resource in the Show More section below. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next video. We will see you in the garden.
Greater Kansas City provide free, research-based answers to your yard, garden, and plant questions. Voicemail is active 24 hours for your convenience, or you can email your questions to the hotline. Normally, you will receive a response within 2 business days. So for any of your garden questions, call the hotline at 816-833-TREE. That's 816-833-8733. Or send your email to mggkc.hotline@gmail.com. More complete information can be found on our website at mggkc.org. And don't worry, all of this information is in the Show More section below.